98, he won the lottery, then died the next day. And isn't it ironic?
Don't you think?
Don't you think? It's like rain on a wedding day. It's a free ride when you only pay. It's the good advice that you just didn't take. And who would have thought it bigger?
Hey,
Well,
Hey,
there's
young.
a better way of sneaking up on you when you think everything's okay and everything's going right. It's like rain on your wedding day. It's a free ride when you already paid. It's the good advice that you just didn't take. And who would have thought it bigger? Well, life has a funny, funny way of holding you
Hi there. What's your name and where are you from?
I'm Chhabra. I'm 14 years old and I'm from New Jersey.
You know, it's funny. Michael and I were looking at each other and he was going, is she young? I said, I think so.
yeah.
But what a powerhouse.
Yeah, honestly.
I absolutely loved your voice and your attitude.
Thank you.
Totally. And I'd love to have you on my team. I think we'd have a blast.
Hi, Vinya. My name is Michael Stephen Bublé. I'm from Vancouver, Canada. And once I heard Alanis Morissette from Ottawa, Canada, I could not stop myself from turning around and representing my country of Canada.
Yeah.
And I was even singing harmony with you.
He was.
It's like, way
Yeah.
on your wedding day, it's a free ride.
When you're already paid, it's the good advice that you just didn't take. And who would have thought it figured?
Vinya! Hey, a great man, Carson Daly, once said, we need more rock on this show. And here it is. Welcome to The Voice. I hope you join Team Mike.
Yeah, baby, I'm rocking out. I'm from an era of rock, rap, alternative, all being meshed together.
Yeah, hell yeah.
You give me the spirit. When I was listening to you, I was like, man, she sound young. But that voice sound powerful. Then when I turned around and seen you and you said you're 14 years old, you pack a powerful punch at your age.
Thank you so much.
And the way you handle this, like you're not nervous, you're not afraid, you just taking it in, that's superstar qualities.
Rockstar.
And it just feels like you need to be on my team, because, you know, I'm gonna rock out with you, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, Vinya, I'm so close. I'm kicking myself. I cannot believe the power that you have. Like, I was 16 when I came on a show like this, and I was a nervous wreck. And you're the complete opposite.
Listen, if I was 14 years old and I was here with my parents, is it your parents that are here?
Yeah.
I wouldn't want to make this decision without them. So why don't you bring them up with you?
Correct.
Oh.
Because Vinya, if it's Snoop, if it's Reeves, if it's me, it's going to be all of us together.
Welcome to The Voice, Mom and Dad.
Make the decision, you guys. Get together. Smush up.
$2.95, $1.99, $1,
$7.99.
$4.60, $24.99.
Okay, sorry. I'm gonna go Team Reva.
Let's go, Queen Reeves.
Thank you very much.
Vinya,
Virginia really had great range, great tone, and the young contestants on the show are like sponges. They really want to learn, they really want to grow, and she chose me. I was thrilled to pieces.